In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a channel in Slack. Joining a Slack channel can enhance your collaboration by connecting you with the right groups and discussions relevant to your work. Whether you're joining a channel for project updates, team conversations, or just a casual chat, it's an essential skill for staying in the loop and contributing to your organization. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Slack application, which you can do on either your desktop or mobile device. It's important that you're logged into your workspace to access any channels. Once inside, find the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is your primary navigation area in Slack. Here, you'll see a section called Channels. Now, scroll through the list of channels visible in the sidebar. These are channels that you're already a member of. To join a new one, look for a small plus icon next to the channel's header. This icon is your gateway to discovering and joining new channels within your workspace. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking the plus icon will present you with a list of channels you can join. This list includes both public channels, which are open to all members of the workspace, and any private channels where you've been invited. As you browse through the list, you'll notice each channel has a brief description, giving you insights into what the channel is about. This is especially handy for deciding which channels align with your interests or current projects. Once you've found a channel that you'd like to join, simply click on the channel name. Doing this will open a preview of the channel, allowing you to see recent messages and any pinned items. If you're sure this is the right channel for you, locate and click the Join Channel button at the bottom of your screen. And just like that, you're part of the conversation. In cases where the channel is private, you will need an invitation from a member of that channel. To request access, you can reach out to the channel members or the channel admin directly, explaining your reason for wanting to join. After you've joined a channel, make sure to adjust your notifications. You can do this by clicking on the small bell icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the channel window. Here, you can set the frequency of notifications to ensure you're kept updated on important discussions without being overwhelmed by every message. You're now equipped to navigate and join channels in Slack, enhancing your experience and optimizing your communication within your team. Remember that being part of the right channels can significantly affect how you contribute and receive information, so choose wisely and stay active. Thanks for tuning in and happy collaborating.